video, so I'm just going to jump right into what this video today is going to be about. Basically, a couple of videos back I did a wig try on haul, and I tried on this wig, which is, so it's a Bobbi lace part. Her name is Giselle and she's in the color 1B. I tried this wig on along with a couple of other wigs, and I will link that video up here somewhere if you're interested in seeing it. But this is Giselle. I have worn Giselle a couple of times, but I mentioned in that video that the reason why I purchased her was because I wanted to try out the wet look, and she looked like a good wig candidate for that. So today we are going to go ahead and actually film me trying to do the wet look on this wig. Hopefully it turns out good, and if not, that's okay, sis. We gonna have fun anyway. It's fine. It's fine. So no, this isn't a tutorial. This is just a try this out with me. It's not a get ready with me, it's to try this out with me. So I actually have to leave. It's pretty late. And I have things I need to do today, but that is how I want to wear my hair today, so I thought I would record it. So we're going to go ahead and jump right on into it because we ain't got time. Okay, we ain't got time. Okay, so as you can already see, this is Giselle. She is very curly. She's pretty full, and she is pretty long. She comes down underneath my breast area. I was trying to decide if I wanted to use the Eco Styler gel to get the wet look or the Wet Line Extreme gel. So I was also trying to decide what I was going to use underneath to give it kind of some slip as I do my styling. I was trying to decide between this Lotta Body Moisturize Me Curl and Style Milk to use underneath my gel, and this Shea Moisture Red Palm Oil and Cocoa Butter Leave-In or Rinse Out Conditioner. Both of these I've had for a hot little minute. So I think I'm going to go ahead and use this leave-in, because it gives a lot of slip, and also because the Lotta Body Curl Milk is a little thicker, and I don't necessarily want a thick, heavy product on the curls. Okay, so I have my little spray bottle here with me, and I am going to go ahead and spray the hair to get it a little damp. So this is just with water in it. I'm gonna add some of my leave-in, a little bit. It's kind of really cool. She a little nasty, y'all. And then I think I'm gonna go ahead and use the Wet Line Extreme gel. This is what it's looking like with the products that I'm going to use in it, and it's giving me what I'm going for. It's giving me what I'm going for. This is without any product in it, and this is with the products that I'm going to use all over my head in it. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that to the rest of my head. He's creeping on me, y'all. It's cute, right? Isn't that cute? I got Babe's approval, so we popping. All this motherfucking money coming cold and crazy. Cut my life into pieces. This is my last resort. Okay, so at this point I'm more than halfway done. I am just going to do this last little part right here. When I got about to the midsection of the back of my head, I switched to using the Eco Styler gel. So this side's going to have the Eco Styler gel in it. I haven't seen too much of a difference in the result as I'm applying it between using those two gels. So let's just finish it up. Okay guys, we are all done, and if I may say so myself, this is really cute. It's super duper popping. I really love it. So this is the final result. I'm just happy that it wasn't a fail because I think it looks literally exactly how I wanted it to look, exactly the look that I was going for. So no disasters over here. It worked out really well with both the gels. So this is the side that I used the Wetline Extreme Gel, and this is the side that I used the Eco Styler Gel. And this side looks to me a little bit shinier, and the curls are a little bit more popping than this side. This side looks a little bit more dull. Let's see what the back looks like. So this is probably how I'm going to wear it, just like this, with one side kind of thrown to the back. Oh, I love how she's still moving. Come on, sis. Oh, hold on, I gotta do it one more time. This is what the final look is, and I absolutely love it. I think it is absolutely gorgeous. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna make sure I put what I used for my hair down in the description box, as well as what I used for my makeup today down in the description box as well, if you're interested. And before you take off, please do make sure that you go ahead and like this video if you think it turned out really cute, and if you think you might try this hairstyle. Let me know down in the comments below if you have already tried out this hairstyle and what wig you used to achieve this hairstyle. So yeah, make sure you guys subscribe on your way out if you're not already subscribed, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.